Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you some of the new note-taking tips and tricks by using the app, and the app name is Flexil. So guys, this note-taking app is really amazing and now it is also available for Android. So the first thing that I want to show you is how you can extract your text from a PDF file into your notes. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go over here. You see this files option, just select it and then it will take you to the destination where you have all your files available. So for example, I select this PDF file. Okay, so the file will appear over here, then I select it again to open it. So you can see over here the PDF file is now open. So the next thing what you have to do, you have to open a new note document or a new note file. So to open it, you have to go over here. You see this option, it's called pop-up document. So I select it. So you can see this new document will open, and then you can also change its location. Okay, so I will put it over here. Okay, now the next step is I have to select the text. So to select the text, you see this option over here, it's called gesture mode. On the top you can see this one. Okay, so just select it. Okay, now the gesture mode is on. So what you have to do, use your S Pen and then place it on the text that you want to extract. So for example, I want to select this text. You can see now it is selecting. Okay, so whatever text you want, you can select it. So I will select it like that, and let's say I will select it till here. Yeah, now the next step is very simple. Just drag your text from this PDF to this note file. Simply I use S Pen, okay, and I place it anywhere on the highlighted text and I simply put it over here. Okay, and now if you want to edit it, you can also edit it, guys. Okay, for example, if you want to write anything over here, okay, you can also edit it. Okay, so your file is over here. Okay, so you can see your text that I extracted, it's over here now. For example, if I want to select some more text, okay, from my this PDF file, I can do it. Let's say I will select it. You can see this line. Okay, and now if I want to extract to the new note file, I can extract it. Simply I can extract it like this. Okay, and now if I want to edit it, I use this T function over here, and then I can write it anything. You can see you can also increase the size. Okay, you can see over here, and you can also change the color. For example, I select red color. Okay, and now if you want to make it bigger, so you can see over here the file is over here now. And then if you want to work on this file, you can also work on this file, but I will show you later. Okay, the next thing, for example, if you want to put underline this text, you can also do it. Okay, simply just select this one like that. You can see I put the line over here. Okay, and then it will show you different options over here. For example, if I want to put the line, so I just select this. You can see it put the underline over the text. And then for example, if I want to highlight the text, only the highlight. Okay, so for example, I put it like this. Okay, and then it will ask me for the highlight option. So for example, I select this one. So you can see the text is now highlighted. So this is the second thing. Now as I told you, this note file, I already extract the text, so you can make it bigger to make it a complete note file. So go over here and select it. Now you can see the file is bigger, and then if you want to work on it, you can also work it over here. The next thing that I want to show you is, for example, if you want to write anything over here, you can write it. Okay, you can make your notes. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, though, so the next thing that I want to show you is undo and redo option by using your finger. So for example, if you want to undo it, whatever you write, you can do it. Simply use your two fingers, double tap on the screen like this. You can see now it is undo. Okay, so you can see over here now it is going in undo. Okay, and now for example, if you want to redo it, just use your three fingers, okay, and then simply just double tap on the screen. It will start do the redo. So I will show you. Okay, so this is really amazing that this function you can use. The other thing that I want to show you is you can use your gesture mode to erase some of your handwriting as well. So simply what you have to do, you have to just go over here. You see this option of gesture mode that I selected before, okay, and then simply, for example, if you want to erase something, okay, if you don't want to use the eraser, so simply use your pen and then simply just do it like this. It will erase your handwriting. So this is really amazing, guys. For example, if I want to erase this, I can also erase it. So this is really amazing. The next thing that I want to show you is you can also merge your notes. Okay, so I will show you how. So for example, I have this PDF file, okay, and then I also have some other notes. So I select the notes. So I select these three notes now, and then if I want to merge them together into one note, I can do it. Simply I have to go over here. You see this option of merge. So I just simply select this option, and now this is merged now. Okay, so this is how you can merge your files as well. Next thing that I want to show you is the selection tool. So guys, this selection tool is really amazing. You just have to go over here, and then you see when I double tap it, it gives you 4 different options. So you can select the pen, you can select the highlighter, you can select image, or you can also select the text box. So I will turn off all of them as well. First, what I will do, I will highlight some you can see over here, I will highlight this handwriting. Okay, and now for example, I want to select only the handwriting, not the highlighter. Simply I go this selection tool, and then I double tap, and then I only select the pen. Okay, so I only select the pen now, and then I highlight it, okay, like that. And then if I want to move, so you can see over here the highlighter, it remains over there because I didn't select it. Only the handwriting has been selected. And now if I want to change the color of this, I can change. You can see I can simply change the color. Okay, there are more colors option over here as well, so I can simply change the color as well, and I can also copy this one. Okay, now for example, I also want to select this highlighter as well. Simply I go to this highlighter option, just select this one, and then simply I select this one. Okay, and then I can move it. Okay, so I can put it back like that. So I can do this as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.